for a million different roles. Poor old Land Rover was never designed for certain roles, and they get thrust into it like the Jeeps did in the Second World War. So you can have Jeeps that are covered in guns, you can have Land Rovers that are covered in guns. Very unusual, they're Australian, it's amazing. But yeah, so why? What do? We use them for going down the chip shop, going to pick up the wheels, going to move the mail around, going to go down and collect parcels, move the rations about, all sorts of different jobs. Taking people down the train station so they can go home on leave, or picking them up on the battlefield when they're wounded. Reconnaissance is one of the roles. Reconnaissance is basically sneaking around the During the conflict in Northern Ireland, the local population no matter what you're in. So that is one of those things. So rolling around as well now, got the seals coming through. Up speed, comes up to here. Typical American goes all over. And then the technical line. Now the technical are locally planted vehicles equipped by seal teams for patrolling, so that all the bits and pieces can be picked up locally if they're a long location out or if they're not around. So we've got some of the other vehicles you won't notice as well. All these vehicles come in different shape, size and different colours. Obviously the colours of the sand, green is tropic and for environmental wearing. But also you get strange ones with pure white, like one of the ferrets over there. And the white ferret is what's called the United Nations. So that's the United Nations vehicle which is used to control them in places like Cyprus or our war zones. Combat Reconnaissance Vehicle Track, CDRT, I think it's years ago. The CDRT is a saver, and it's a lovely piece of kit. Now going out of service, most of ours will be sent to the Ukraine. Behind me, you've got another member of the CDRT family, tank version, I believe, and I will not embarrass myself by getting flagged on. I'll ask the owner in a minute. Cut about in the middle of the arena, you've got a drone vehicle as well. The guy who's just coming up to talk to me, so I'll tell them all about that when we get around to having a chat with the various owners. So, as I said, armies, what they do use these stuff for? Light vehicles, reconnaissance, and stopping, going down to Amsterdam, and all that sort of thing. And then you've got your trucks and your lorries. Your trucks and your lorries are really the things that do the heartbeat of the army to bring into the port all the petrol, ammunition, food, and evacuation casualties. German mechanical mule cutting about. It's in the German or French. I think it's German, it's got a German plane, but we'll find out later. And they are designed for moving things about the battlefield, usually by the airborne forces, who like to have very light vehicles, because obviously heavy stuff don't fit aeroplanes. Aeroplanes don't like anything. So light vehicles are what is needed for air portability. They did this with Land Rovers by cutting the front wheels off and shrinking them down to the barest essentials to parachute them. Now, if you ever get to buy a military vehicle, which I suggest you do, it's a great hobby to get involved with, never buy one that's been airdropped. Usually the chassis is the shape of a banana, so it sounds cool, but it's usually